Hello friends. So today in this video we will talk about WebThinker. This is a GitHub repo which you can use to kind of do some sort of analysis, or if you want to search for any answer like using LLM models. So this is basically kind of like a deep thinker model. So it works with Coin model like coin instruct and coin 32 model. So you have to kind of using this GitHub repo, you can do research kind of thing, like if you want to generate some research paper based on online resources. So this GitHub repo, like this module, can do all kind of searching and analyzing the data and then finding out the answer from it. So it will do all sort of things. So this is a little complex to set up, but I'll show you like how you can install it on your GPU, and you can how you can inference it. So I'll go to my run pod instance, where I have taken two GPU instance, because for this model, for this GitHub repo, this for this code module, you need two model to run parallelly. Like you have to host the Coin 3 Coin 2.5 instruct model and Coin 2.5 32 billion model on either on VLLM or SGLang, or if you are using quantized version, then you have to use the LLMA.cpp module to host the coin model. So I am using the quantized version, because the full version of the model, it will take lots of GPU. I am just using 24 gigabyte of RTX 4090. So I have already configured it. I'll just show you the folder structure. I kept the LLM models inside two folder. So basically what I have to do, I have to just go inside Coin 32B model, and I will enable the conda for this one. So this is the Coin 32 LLM CPP. So I'll go inside this LLM CPP folder, and then I'll open a I will first initialize the conda environment, so which is required. Okay, conda is now activated. Okay, now I'll enable my conda environment, like I'll activate it. So if I activate, this is for 32 billion model, GGF model. So I am inside the right directory. Now I'll go to build/bin folder. Now I have to run this this model using LLMSCPP module. So I just search for the code to run the model. Okay, so I found out the code to run the coin model. So I'll just check the directory. So this is the directory, so I am inside build/bin folder. Now I will copy this code. So this is basically, I have two CUDA, so I am using the CUDA 0, and this is LD preload is the conda does not have this library, this module, so I had to reload it from my user folder. So, and this ctx context size, it should be more than 10,000, because the deep thinker web thinker, this model, it will send lots of data to coin 2.5 model for analysis. So you have to keep it maximum, like I kept it 16,000. So I'll just run it. So I have activated the conda environment, then I'll just enter. So this will load on my CUDA 0 GPU, and then I already activated the conda environment for the coin instruct model. So I'll just you know uh, run the LLM model for the coin instruct model. So this is using CUDA device CUDA 1. So this is using the second CUDA device, second GPU. So I'll wait for this one to run it. Let's see if it is able to uh, load the model. So I am using 24 gigabyte of VRAM, so that should be enough, because this quantized model, it is, I think, of 20 GB of size. So I can see it is activated. The LLM, the model is running on this port, and I'll do the same for the coin instruct model. Okay, so this coin 32B model is running on port 6000, and I already enabled my port 6000 and 6001 on my run pod instance. So you can do that when you are starting the instance. You can configure the port, which all ports you want to open. So you can do that when you are initializing or starting the instance. So I'll wait for this one to get activated, and after that I have to run the WebThinker module. So for that I have to go inside WebThinker, and same thing here, I will enable my conda for this WebThinker repo. So I'll just open it here on another terminal. Okay, this is the okay. So this should activate the WebThinker conda environment. Okay, this one is also ready. So I can see it is enabled here. Okay, now conda for WebThinker is also activated. Now I will see like how to call this model. So to run the WebThinker, you have to call this run webthinker.py inside scripts folder, and there are actually lots of error on this repo, like the repo which they have uploaded. So you have to make multiple changes, so then only I see it is working. Still there are few issues, but I managed to make it work, fixing multiple issues. So I'll just quickly check the configuration, like the parameters which I'm passing. Question search engine, I am using the Sharper search engine. You have to provide the Sharper key here, and API base, this is the API. Okay, model coin 3. Okay, I'll run it just to see, like I guess I have to do few more changes here, but I'll just run it and I'll see. Okay, I'll delete the API key after using here because I can always delete the key and create a new one. So make sure not to share your key with anyone. Okay, the output for this model, it will come inside output folder, and you can see it has downloaded the tokenizer, and you will see the prompt like it has certain setup like how it will search on Google and how it will try to analyze the answer. So I have given the question who is owner of OpenAI. So let's see if it is able to find out. So I have added lots of log to fix the code issue, and the output for this model it will come inside custom KWQ. Okay, I can see it has kind of like find out the result, and it is still running, but I'll see if the output is okay. It says like it is completed. I'll see if the output is generated. So output is here. Let's see. Okay, web explorer, it is empty, so that means there is a issue uh, on this part, like it is not able to call the WebThinker. OpenAI is owned by non-profit organization. Okay, OpenAI.inc governed by okay Sam Altman CEO, Elias okay as CTO. Okay, I guess for this one it has already decided, like decode it, like it does not need to go for Google search. Okay, we can do one thing. Okay, so I'll just ask some other question. Who is owner or who is the owner of perplexity.com, and who has most number of shares in it. Search Google if required. So let's see. Okay, I have instructed like to search Google if it is required, or sometimes if I pass the current year, in that case it tries to search for latest result from Google. Let's see for this one what it is doing. For the Google search, so I am inferencing the module from terminal. Otherwise, like you can also see the uh, output, like how it is thinking, like a stream. So if you want to stream the output, thinking output, that also you can do. So it is taking some time, that means I guess it is searching on web. And you can see also see the you can see the the query search queries, like how many search queries on which date, so everything you can see here. So for today I think mm, it is searching maybe, but I cannot see it on the dashboard, the time, exact time. So it is showing 13th of October. Okay. So you can see it has searched, and now it is analyzing the data from all these link. And you can see, like, yesterday I have tested the way it is thinking is kind of like how we try to search for information from Google. So it is like quite fascinating. Even based on this model, multiple big companies has tried to develop their model. Like Alibaba NLP has developed one deep research module based on this code. So this is kind of like, if you are able to make it run, this is like a very uh, good code, like GitHub repo, where you can learn lots of things. Okay, now the process is completed. So I'll just see the JSON output. Okay, it came here, and you can see the size is like 59 KB. Now I'll show you how the output is. So my question was, who is the owner of perplexity.com and who has most of the share in it? Search Google if required. So you can see, so it started thinking like how to process this question, and see the amount of thought it has invested for this single question. And it has searched the Google. So after searching the Google, it traverse all the links, and after that it's a lots of like data it has scrapped from website. And in the end, like, it has extracted the meaningful information. It is not like it is scrapping the data and just giving you the matching words, not like that. It is, in fact, it is extracting the meaningful output information, like, for based on your question. So you can see it has extracted the information, and it is like the owner of perplexity.com is the company name, a company co-founded by Aravind and Dennis Johnny. So ownership structure also it has given, like, Aravind is the CEO and founder, and the company has raised over 1.2 billion in funding with investors such as Jeff, NVIDIA, SoftBank, and venture capital firms like IVP. All these things, the founder collectively explicitly stated to hold a majority stake. Okay. Majority shareholder also it has given the shareholder names, like the founder retain the most of the ownership, not disclosed. CEO and lead founder, and the company has emphasized independence, rejecting the buyout offer from Apple, Meta, suggesting that founder and early stakeholders maintain control. Key sources. Okay, so kind of like it has given a complete detail, and it is not just the data which is inside the model. It is kind of searching on Google for the latest data, and then it is kind of from all those pages it is extracting the meaningful output. Like, if it is not able to find out the output, no, in that case it will again search on Google for the next time. So you can kind of configure like how many level of search you want to do, and there is an option for deep research also. So that is kind of like mind blowing. So if you just open the code, so I have made lots of changes. So this is for to report generation, this is for scientific research. So it will do some deep research to find out information, like scientific research related information. This one I am yet to make it run. because it has lots of issues, so I have to change the code, fix it, then I'll be able to run it. But for now I was able to run this WebThinker, the light module. So if you go here, you will see mm, so there is another function, generative web explorer. So I don't know how to invoke this one. So it's kind of like you can do multiple level of Google search to even find out more data. Like if you want to extract lots of data, like more than 10 pages for now, like by default it will search once for one query, and it will get 10 first 10 result, and based on that it will give you the answer. But if you want to search more, in that case you have to make the code changes here. So I'm yet to do it, but to be honest, like seeing the output, like how it is giving the complete, like it is not just a copy paste, like it is not scrapping the sentences from any website. It is kind of evaluating the extracted information, and based on that it is giving a final output. That is kind of like quite fascinating. This is a kind of if you have seen web the agent, uh, the agentic AI, so it is same like that, but the uh, here the approach is little different. You can see the GitHub repo for detail, like what kind of reasoning being, or what kind of models are being used here. So they have used two model. One is Coin 32B model, another is Coin Instruct model, and they have their own WebThinker model also. You can either use the WebThinker instead of Coin 32 model, and along with that you can use one Coin Instruct model, so that will be enough. But here I am just using the Coin 32B model and the Coin Instruct model. So this is the kind of like how you can inference this GitHub repo, because I made this video because I don't see anyone uh, who have successfully able to run this one, and there is no tutorial out there to tell like where to you know make the code changes and how to run it. So I had to make this one, and I'll share this py file. Here I have the updated code. You can run it, you can test it on your local. Thank you guys, bye bye.